I know now it's reaching a phase where y'all might be bored of my face, and I'm also no. But for me, YouTube will always be a thing that I enjoy doing because it is so. Um, it helps me grow. Yeah, it helps me grow as a person. So there is this one UK based doctor, a Cambridge doctor who's a vlogger, and his channel is called he's called Ali Abdal, ABDAAL, Abdal, as in dal, so, and he's a Pakistani vlogger based in UK, so a Britisher, you could say. But such an amazing vlog. Yeah, yesterday I was just kind of binge watching some of his vlogs because it's like he apparently topped Cambridge, and he gives you these study tips and these his watching his vlogs. I mean, honestly, he can get a little boring, but the amount you can learn is just amazing, which is something you can't really say for so many vloggers. Like, many vlogs are, they have entertainment value, but you don't really learn anything. But Ali Abdal's vlogs, you'll have to check it out, people. So it's already a 1 minute vlog. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.